Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Home Assistant automation for EV charging, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw Home Assistant automation for EV charging, begin by accessing your Home Assistant dashboard. Log in with your credentials. Navigate to the configuration section in the left sidebar. Select automations from the menu. Locate the specific automation that controls your EV charging. Click on the automation to open its details. Review the various triggers, conditions, and actions associated with it. If you want to disable the automation temporarily, toggle the switch at the top of the screen. If you prefer to delete the automation completely, look for the delete button, usually at the bottom right corner. Confirm the deletion when prompted. In case you want to keep the automation but change its functionality, edit the specific triggers or conditions according to your needs. After making any changes, always remember to save your modifications. Return to the automations overview to ensure your automation status reflects your adjustments. To test your changes, simulate the conditions that should trigger the automation. Monitor your EV charging to confirm the automation is no longer affecting it. If everything works as intended, your Home Assistant automation withdrawal is complete. For a more permanent solution, consider adjusting your energy settings or creating a new automation. This ensures you have full control over your EV charging management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.